Welcome back to the channel once again. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you are new here, a very warm welcome to you. My name is Princella. Thank you for stopping by. So today, guess what? We are making goat meat peanut butter soup. This soup is a must try, yes. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So I'll be using my goat meat. It's well cleaned. In my pot, I'll add my goat meat. I'll add my blended garlic, onion and ginger. I'll add a little bit water to rinse the blender. And I'll set it aside. So I'll be using cream peanut butter. So I'll add it to my blender. And also I'll add some tomato paste. Add more water and then blend all together. So I will be adding it. I'll add a little bit water and stir all together. Recipe is a must try. I will add some salt to taste and some koko natural spice. I'll add my fresh tomatoes, some onions and habanero pepper. So I'll cover it and I'll send it straight to my stove. So I'm doing everything together to save time. So this is 10 minutes. And you can see it's really cooking very well. So I'll keep stirring a little bit because I don't want it to burn. After 20 minutes, I will take the vegetables out and I will still let it cook. You can see it's really doing good. So you can see the oil has settled on top. So I added my vegetables and I added enough water. And this is my mushrooms. I added some mushrooms. You can add more water if you want it. So I will stir it and then I will let it cook. It's really cooking very well. So this peanut butter soup, I made it and I really enjoyed it with kokonte. I will bring the recipe soon. You are going to love it. It was so good. You see, it didn't really take time because I did everything together. Me see when you are try be share no when you be jehu. Unte pa ene enkatekwan ekoyi ankasa. Please, if you are still watching, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more recipes. Thank you, and I know you've really enjoyed watching this recipe. So you can see my kokonte is ready. Na kokonte so nkruma kan ho ya na enkoyi o, nkruma kan ho na koyi. So I'm serving. I really loved it. It was so good, so delicious. Please, this is a must try. You are going to love it. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next upload. Bye.